Yeah, package from China.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Super Mini MD. Both in 100 games and we having now TF download. So I'm very curious what we're going to get and how good is the emulation, because with these, let's say, Sega clones, as always, a hit or miss. Alright, so stay tuned, let's go and let's do the unboxing. Alright, so let's unbox it together. I'm very curious what are we going to get. Well, this cardboard box is very thick. We're having two controllers, the 6-button editions. Can we pull it out like this? Ooh. Oh, inside we're going to get an HDMI cable. All the necessary things like I'm guessing there's a 5-volt adapter, a very long cable, and even the European adapter. Very nice. Let's take a close look at the controllers to begin with. Are they chemical? The first thing I did notice with this controller that it has a very long cable. The quality of the cable feels quite nice. It's still the original connector, but I'm very pleased with. So I'm hoping, and we're going to try it in the video, if we can use it with original controllers. That would be very cool. Alright, the first thing and the most important, smell test. Ooh, they smell very nice, no chemical. Okay, so the D-pad feels very nice. The weight of the controller is not like the original one, I can already tell you that. But the D-pad is good. Oh, that feels very cheap. But you can see with the cheap controller, when you're pressing one button sometimes, all the buttons goes down. And in other words, it was very horrible and cheap quality. But this is not bad at all. At the back there's no information whatsoever. Okay, so the controllers, they feel good. That's a pass. But first, let's take a close look at the toilet paper manual, because they are good for wiping your butt. Okay, let's take a close look at the information of the system. Here we're having an overview, nothing special, but this one I want to check out. How to download games, how to be naughty. We can create a folder, a game folder in the TF card. So in other words, it's very easy to do. And that's something we're not going to try out, because maybe something for a different video. The console itself. Wow, this thing looks actually pretty good. On and off. We have a reset button, the volume control doesn't move, whatever, okay. 16-bit, at the front we're having two controller ports, the original ones. At the back we have the micro USB, HDMI, and we're having, is there a TF card in this thing? No, there's no TF card in this thing. Wow, yeah, I'm looking from a different angle, it looks very strange. Nevertheless, let's go. Alright, so let's boot it up and let's see what we're going to get with this device, because I'm very curious now. Ah. Okay, that is something new. So with the previous model I was going to get this more like a built-in multi-game card, but this is something completely different. Ooh. Alright, so let's take a close look at the games. They are on alphabetic order, as you can see over here. Okay, the D-pad is super responsive. Alright, so June 2, Duke Nukem. I'm guessing this is a homebrew game. So I think it will be a mix of everything. This is not our typical multi-game card. It's a very strange collection. So we're having Sonic Mega Mix, Sonic 2, Sonic 3, Sonic the Hedgehog, okay. Tekken 2. You can see when you're pressing right and left, you go to the next page. You need to press down to go to the next row. Tekken Special 3 and Tekken 2 versus, I'm guessing it was the Virtual Fighter homebrew game. So as you can see over here is that there are quite some different games on it. Okay, and we have the SD function. Let's press start or A. Doesn't do anything, but there was no SD card in it. I'm getting the idea there's more kind of a Russian version or something like that, because all the texts are different. Yeah, wow. Okay, let's go. Oof. Going great, going great. Oh, crap. Oh, this game is freaking hard as hell. 1, 2, 3, here it goes. Got the bastard. But you're getting the point. Oh, that's really cool. You can hear the sound is not original, it's not like it should be. So the image quality itself is not bad at all, but when you're looking at the speed of the emulation, you can see it runs pretty choppy. Look at this. And for the people wondering, can you use an original controller on this Mini? Yeah, you can plug it in, but this is what's going to happen when you're doing this. So, nope, it doesn't work. Okay, so in the next part we're going to do a teardown just to see what's inside this mean machine. Or better said, this little mean fake not working perfectly machine. Okay, the only thing that we need to do is remove the rubbery feet, and we're going to grab ourselves a screwdriver. Oh, I'm touching my microphone, crap. Put it in the right position. Limited space here, people, limited space. So, let's go. Let's remove this little screw. Let's see what we get with the package from China. Okay, so let's take a close look inside. Alright, there's not a lot of stuff to talk about. We have some more screws to remove. Okay, let's see. Let's remove this boy. Yep. And let's remove this one. So what we're going to get is just a very basic HDMI version. Like the previous versions I've reviewed with the AV out function. Of course this thing has a new mainboard, but I'm very curious of what kind of software are they running. Are they running on Linux? Are they running on Android? I think there was something I will not get an answer from, and I removed all of them, or I thought I was removing all of them, but I still need to remove this one. Okay, so you can see here the PCB is just for the controller ports and all the other stuff, but I just wanted to see here what kind. Ooh, this is not looking great. Alright, so this is what we're going to get inside the Monkey King 3B, or I've never heard of it. I did some googling and I couldn't find anything about it, so if you know some more information, you can also let me know, because I have no idea. As you can see over here with some extra chips, but in general, if I don't know what kind of chip this is, I don't know what kind of operating system they are using. Maybe it's Linux, maybe it's Android, but in the end some of the chips will be used as RAM or a chip for storage capacity. Nevertheless, this is what you're going to get inside. It's not really exciting, so there's not more to see over here. Okay, so this is what you're going to get with the Sega clone. I think this thing looks cool on your desk or on your shelf with all the other collectibles, because the emulation is pretty choppy. The sound is not like it should be. The image quality is not bad at all. The controllers, yeah, you can't use them on your original Sega. Nevertheless, this is what you're going to get. Let me know in the comments what do you think. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.